Welcome to the Oracle Cloud Platform Partner Update.
I'm Jürgen Kress, part of the Oracle Product Management team and your host.
This month's topics include partner bootcamps to connect SaaS, an integration product update, and our community webcast on B2B. So let's get started. For SaaS consultants who want to connect HCM, CX, and ERP Cloud, we offer a 3-day hands-on training. Goal of the training is to enable you to show a proof of concept to connect SaaS solutions with Oracle integration and to become a certified expert. For details and registration, please see the monthly community newsletter. The training is offered in multiple locations. Each month we offer 2 locations in different time zones, including Asia, Europe, Middle East and Africa, and the US. For details, please see our schedule for 2024. For the latest features of Oracle Integration 3, please join our product update webcast, taking place December 21st. Neil Kominski and myself will update you on the latest features, including event monitoring and the healthcare live demo. Please register via the link. Oracle Integration Cloud has been continuously improving on the B2B capabilities. We recently added support on more document standards, protocols, and enhanced operational management. We will show you new capabilities like Rosetta Net, REST transport or resubmit transactions. Please join Veron and myself on December 19th for the monthly community webcast. To wrap up today's presentation, in case you are not yet a member in the partner communities, please register now. Attend a hands-on training to become trained to connect Oracle SaaS like HCM, CX and ERP. Join our product webcast to get the latest news on Oracle Integration 3 and tune in the community webcast for the B2B functionality. Thanks for watching. Key announcements for Oracle integration include robotic process automation and the rapid adapter builder.